Alright y'all, we got our first head gasket off on the rear. As you can see, it is a mess. And there's the bolt that was broke off into the manifold. Oh, we might be able to get that off. Yeah, look at that y'all. There's some Tauruses for you. There's them damn Tauruses for you. Take you down here, look at this. Take you down here and look at this for a minute. You know what I'm saying? Pull the other head off in a minute because it's all milky. Alright, so we kind of see how we got that head gasket leak. Yeah, look at that. That's all messed up. I think our initial contact is here. Yeah, most definitely here. You can see how it's all got a hole through it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, typical head gasket. Water jackets, look at that. Gone. So, we got it all. Oh, there's another one too. Oh, that's the same one on this side. Yep, you can see the holes in there. But basically this is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is what it is. This is what we gotta fix. And the head look like it should be still some good. Look at that, it's just comatose. Look at that shit. That don't make no sense. So we gonna get our head gasket tomorrow. Clean these up. I think we are done for the night because I'm tired. See y'all tomorrow. Banks 101. We out, YouTube.